ye caterers na employ na ye ma omuska na omuko ana omudi omuska ko ye purchases no omu ne wi a na ya reinvest omu.
Okay.
But ye no ye under school free HS, we are not under them. We are normal school feeding. It started since 2005.
Okay. That's a clarification now why you no. Anyways, that's say you too much pressure kakra no. Motimia this best sika no and e bi mo receive. Time wa no mo pressure na ye frɛ wo ni udi nkomo. And nti say mo so matimi atua bia na wo se ye san frɛ mo na ye bɔ maba so. And nti that's no pe obra wa nya man ye tie for. All right. And nti yani customer for Edima school feeding program and a twitwin komo yera Alpha Siba. And the twitching come on. Some 3 minutes after 9, we are still live on Ahinkai 93.3 FM. Jumediano eye Maakye. Meeting Obuoba Ofori Amanfo. Me pacho tio me ba. Ye twaso enko bebia.
KNY Electronics. KNY Electronics. And the down. So upe TV, rechargeable Bluetooth speakers, games console, game CDs, Bluetooth headphones, sound bar, computer accessories, mobile phone accessories, and a mobile phone kasa. And one KNY Electronics. You so watch me down in Potema. Problem be anyhow. Upe so beto you may be do so poor. Ekwanda ho. Ne mumuno. So upe se di bro baby bia uwa. Fra KNY Electronics. I was 020-580-3647. Ana 0244-055-122.
Ojam se upe quality electronics product dia. Eye KNY Electronics.
Ye chira kwanya hwena ye won cry North Carnation Swan Lake. Ye ni Holy Trinity bus stop ene din hwani mu. KNY Electronics quality product nkwa ene yeton.
Thank you.
Okay, and until back on your radio. Jumedi no ye Maakye. And I guso a ye sin konwa kese so a ye di hu dwuma de emamo no. Said me di kan catch in my earlier preamble no. Me catch wo say ene ye be analysis kakra our Constitution Review Commission. One more report how many buy no. We will have time and delve deeper into that. And area kwan ye be fa so a ye nyina ye betimi ehunu. One more adwene pa how buy medical catch us some mampani otia konwa so sisi yi. Also no the basis how many form is our review commission no. Flawed. Intino nya dia as o accept it. Say young formal recommendations in Fanye Ejuma and NDC funds raise another concern, and it has to do with electoral reforms. Omo a listed niomabia PowerPoint, The question I be saying wanna say at the end see as at the time I know more power. Because if you look at a Constitution Review Commission, that omode year 2010, we are talking about 2010 thing. 2010 and so mampani anu otia konwa so sabre no omampani a wonya ne ba bi kro Professor JEA Mills nyankopon fa ne krensie onu free so no na NDC 2 eba ye with Yera John Dramani Mahama. The question is edie be ne see na sa recommendations your man fa bi anya adwuma na enne the same people anu them. Do you think they have the locus, they have the temerity to talk about issues like this? They have the fortitude to talk about issues like this. And you look at them and it seems to say they are really confused. A whole NDC political party is confused. I tell you, NDC party in general are confused because they've elected some confused people and when we do them as leaders. Confused people. As we speak now, do you think electoral reforms are very necessary? Whilst more organized, more internal party elections. Now are reforming more party. No, you are here talking about electoral reforms, and the reforms are more more than the year 2010. No, what did you do with it? Interfered when we say reforms. Hello. Yes, we understand the fact to say, opposition, you have to be very responsible of opposition. But this kind of behavior, displayed here, is a not. Organizing internal party elections, na mube put more party into a very good shape. Omi anwene ho. Nti we will talk about that. So what you say? Ye wresi edun ketia. On edi animu. And what can brofo akese. Kwaku anyido ho se obetene nka. Why? Also obetene nka. There are so many issues that borders with a political party now. You have to throw more light on. No? You are here making noise, wasting resources in your man. Aba, maza. Tiere mami ani ankuye nim. Social Security and National Insurance Trust. SNET. Almost so many NIE. Eka number no edia boom. It's about utie mi a. Omo come number ni dia boom merger no. Yes, that is what they doing. And into say utie mi a obe dial star 711 star 9 hash. Star 711 star 9 hash. And also obe visit our website www.snate.org.gh. snate.org.gh. Now if you want follow prompt no, now wo national identification number no me pacho oni snate dia no maka bom na e card ba ko pe nti aba say hu hia say o kwa obeso cards ni bebre ekrekra e ha adwene pa frustrating nti me pacho ya na wetie na wa hye ne nso e di amame na snate for so betumi asa from 0302 611622 0 yeah dinyo 0302 611622 and the number will be free and I say 0800110094 and we have Vodafone for pen on be free sa number no contact or mo email no your contact center at snate.org.gh WhatsApp and I say SMS no 050,000 3050 050,000 3050 Facebook Twitter Instagram me pacho ya na why ne sa pepe e de amame yemfa news your KNY Electronics or say open quality but affordable TVs, rechargeable Bluetooth speakers, games console, games CDs, NFA Bluetooth headphones, sound bar, computer accessories, mobile phone accessories, NFA brand new mobile phones. OPB wahu me kanfo KNY Electronics e the amount na anopay me pacho ye tikwanya yira kwan kra ye wo enkran North Kanishi Swan Lake ye ni Holy Trinity bus stop no e na edi enhwe ni mu na ni jesem we mu ni se obi tie me o se na omo wo enkran yi na me so me wo ofo ase me wa yiri bi me wo chia me wa chia se me wo suadro me wo achimodan me wo ofreni saying aboabo me wa asene manso across so asanteman me so me ne dem me pacho eno wan se obeka kire ya de kodi a woto na yatumi ede abro ba bibia wo 0205 8036647 0205 8036647 and 0244 055122 0244 055122 offer na wo midin a wo 20% discount abo foi muntie ebia na wo achim achiase suedro ne mpotamu nyina na ope asase a manson eni ho ato a momra brabo na ye won sase papa a litigation free manson twe bia eni so 0553 044 069 0553 044 069 eno ne number be free na se wo pass ase ato wa chima boabo amanson ni ho yempa usutra na wa fresh number no K Asenso Limited say a swinging wheel office chairs, quality wooden chairs, authentic bookshelves, and a wopa may come for K Asenso Limited at the amount Seko Adabraka of Iran Clinic. Can I see Zongo Junction a year Flamingo Road no so honomo Ubehunu K Asenso Limited ewoho me pacho se okokotonko nwanwa ye be free delivery at the amount 0302 257 209 0302 919 739 we any K Asenso so numbers ya obe free home of quality office chairs and bookshelves. Nyankopon ya domo a on the 3rd of September ahenkan ya di enjumedi ahodo ni nyina di pie emonting so on the 3rd of September ni be see Friday ya recall eya achimodan main market ya chiri honomo a baby a Maakye station no me pacho hɔ a osofo F nkansa na nimu hɔ a na yɛkɔ akwakusi nkonwa akodi saa yɛdwuma and nti yɛn 6 a.m. news Maakye morning show will come adwuma kwabena costing so beba and news at 12 apomudimre and Akwaba drive no and I'm say a strictly praises and worship 12 minutes after 9 still live on Ahinkan 93.3 FM yɛkɔ na yakobo enkomo wi yewi anafe ya toaso na ye de analysis no abɛhyehyɛ so ama wo wadwen kyerɛ mpacho betimi dia ba 0594 841 044 0594 841 044 ode ba na yakenkan kama dia ma wo sanso na you stream live on Facebook and YouTube nti obetimi dia adwen kyerɛ ne dia kɔ hɔ no mo empanifo mamo makyɛ no pɛ
na ponti se obo
nyame adom me pacho mo nso
nyame adom no mpai boy
the radiase me agilisa assembly eboko
nyame adom bibia ekoso
assembly eboko
okay the radiase all right nti ma minya mu mama ne yɛhyase
ene na obo medase ene akwanya ode amame ne edikan yede nchiafi eye assembly ma obibia anopai yebesre etiefo enyina se enkoma ye ne mu ebetwetwena anopai so no mo be aso na motie obi anti bibia ase a ebre no so na ahoma na ebiem a mofra na ye nyina ya che ye nyina ya dwen e wo discussion na ye nyina ebe no eho na mekoma sem so no na edi kan ye da Ahinkan radio for enso ase akwanya monso mo beboa assembly no na dwumadi e call so last week o meeting no ase no mo hwede niema ni na aba abonten so na timemufo no so etimi ehu proceedings no e call so e ho no so etie sa discussions ahodo e call so ho enyina bi na me mama sem nye kese ana tenten no na obo ne emeka akire atiefo nyina se eye covid campaign no yegusu a atiefo no esremo covid-19 yare no enkoye enu ntie de ye stress obia no onam abonten a obehye wo nose mask no ede amayen obehohoro nsa obeyusu hand sanitizer ede afifa nsa ho protocols na hodo ni nyina no egusu aye bo ho edawuro ade enye ade foforo de bia ameka se osore anopa na se covid yare bi achewa busa ho se obetimi akoye adwuma na enu nti yese ade a ye nyina ye hwese yede eye yensa ho anase yetete yentemu ewa bonten so a we de nkanye ade a eye issue kese ema ye nyina na enso edi ba bia na ya so dinti no na ya tusa niema no edi agum sese ade a pese Ghana for ehu se sese oman no ye pe mpuntuo ewo Ghana mpuntuo na ni nyina na ye pe no so eyesikasem enu nti se yare enso eba bedo kro ya enya dia mampani beka se ebia yehia ekwan na amanfo niema hodo ese yehwe ne yede so ano no obeka se ne priority eni obehwe no age nipa no enkwa esi ho ansa na ebia ba be ekwan no enti ebe strategiefo nyina se yare no yebetimi ako abra na se a na ye nyina ye modern bo a yebeye se ebeye a yebehye ye nose mask yebe hohoro ye nsa ho yebetete ye ntemo sese sampunka ebeya anka omamu ni nyina no ye nyina ehu se bia wo foka na wo nhye no smasa driver no ese driver yi usi efom ye nua no approach for ebo approach e kisa ne ma ni nyina na ye be stress epunka ye atimemu fo no se mo ni me be adwen a anka ye mfa ne se aswa ko school ne ese kamrofo na wa anka sa sotwe e wo ho enti nka bia na mbia ye hu se sebe wonhye no smas ni bi ewa bonten so a nenka ye didin bi ato so we ma bambobo fo ase wo de bibibia emfa ho wo se eniema abo niema gu oho nti yensa dia anka mi se dodo na no smas ne eye protocols na hodo nka bedi so yesi ko ejoma montiti montem na monton niema obedu jom no ba bi ho no ma ne agbape so bebre yesre atiefo kakra America eni se COVID protocols no obi ani so man na yare no enkoye municipality ha no ehihiem enti se wa hwe na yare ni bi eso mu di a ene na sebe wa na waye na yenso yeti ho no mo adwumayefo no ye nhwe se eniema ese mote no yɛmfa hide obi bia enti yɛsrɛ obi bia sɛ covid protocols no deɛ obiara mmɔden sɛ ɔbɛhwɛ na wayɛ ne deɛ fɛfɛɛfɛ ɛde ama obiara play ni rule pɛpɛɛpɛ a ɛwɔ covid ho a ɛm sɛ megye di sɛ yareɛ no nyinaa no ɛbɛtumi ate akɔ within the space of time na Ghana no yɛ nyinaa nso yɛtumi akɔ so ayɛ yɛ nnwuma ahodoɔ ɛwɔ ɔman mu ahanom nti yɛbɛsrɛ atiefoɔ ɛm sɛ me mama sɛm ɛnwa no mɛpɔ so na Jesus nso abɔ wura mu deɛ di hɔ no yɛde bɛtoa so ɛwɔ nsɛm a ɛnɛ yɛbɛka no nyinaa so
yo menua medas pa we de anapa de mekyia atiefoɔ nyinaa ana staff of the assembly madam Diana before me call bylaw no so no announcement bi wo o ma apply for scholarship no announcement is say 31st of this month ya Tuesday shortlisted applicants o ma ya shortlist no there will be an interview for them nti so we apply ya o ba assembly a ko notice board wa na wo behwe so odin wo mu then it means Tuesday 31st August Obuoba assembly for interview nti wo ma apply for scholarship government scholarship ni nyina no wo ma ya select wo nyina no ya the list no ebebo ya notice board ho nti wo ko ha na wa hwe so odin wo mu then it means Tuesday 31st August Obuoba assembly there will be interview you conduct interview and then the selected ones no na yeah they are called nti so wonim say wa apply for government scholarship na that's your information by the close of the day so and then what china so call your website so obe hu so odin ka ho so fine brimcentral.gh@gmail.com by the close of the day to tomorrow no o call so let's no better ho hwa odin wo mu then it means by 31st now about assembly for interview. That's an announcement for Omamo apply for government scholarship no. Na ye bylaw no ye hwe ye say city gas. Ye bylaw no ye hwe city gas for na ye omo krum no whether ye bylaw no sesen. Ye bylaw no say establishment of city gas I just say assembly I just say ye ti city gas ewo Brim Central ha. Now also the city gas shall carry out duties assigned to them. Nti ye first city gas ye fa omo wi a assembly ye na be kire ana ye na be ma omo adwuma omo che se omo di wo krum. Nti ye na be sign duties to them. Nti ye ma city gas adwuma se won koye se a na se wa ogina kire o obstruction a and so o asem o say obstruction that a person shall not outside the guard from carrying out duties assigned to him or her. And they say assembly catch a city gas gina ha maka bia enyina ha obia ni hu to me say obaka say obegina ho because say city gas no instruction now one take care it means assembly ana amount instruction now one take so the law will take you on. And offenses or say a person who contravenes any provision of this section commit an offense and shall upon conviction by sentenced to a fine of fine of not less than 20 penalty unit or and default in the terms of imprisonment not exceeding 1 month. Nti say city guard emma instruction say man park wa ha and say man ye say wa ha na still was so obey wa ha wa chill dia the bar penalty no eno na my kind no it means ye be use sa offenses we no e de amount nti yesra city gas na omunam krum there's a bylaw backing them your law e back omo and they say o park wo ba bi na omo say da bi don't park here ahono bako na what to car afi ho ya ba market bylaws ya market ya dwom ho no ya bylaws so a ehwe market ho one that said that should be assembly shall appoint a market management committee when assembly or market management committee e wo hodada wo na hwe market ho the issue be relating to the market no market committee members no mo na trase na mo ka ho asem and sana o ma refer the matter to the assembly. The market committee shall liaise with the leaders of the various associations or groups in the market nti wokɔ market wa yɛwɔ various leaders yɛwɔ tomato leaders, onion leaders, pepper leaders. Nti all the leaders no the market management committee no omne omo na edi insawaso the every day said the beya market ho no the assembly ember ho there will be peace and the laws are ya set ho no e beya ho adwuma. Allocation of market stores. Assembly may periodically allocate stores or stores to or to people. Nti say your stores na yasisi wo market ho nyina no assembly ana aba allocate ama obi ye 2 million ye na see nti ye wo ho tumi say ye ba allocate store na ama rent. The tenant shall pay the required monthly rent to the assembly. Nti ye ma store I just say utua ho rent monthly bosom bia na yearly e betuma ba say e bia year utua 100 Ghana. Nti ye ma the bill of 100 Ghana we are expecting say ubetua 100 Ghana. Say amount maybe 50 Ghana every month and the busum bia no say revenue officer no e ba I just saw the 50 cedis no because I monthly. And a receipt until utia then the collector will give you a receipt. The assembly shall enter into a written tenancy agreement. Until emphasis say the store no mawa your agreement bia ye no will sign. Until at the end of the year no then the following year no the city year na you know was sign an agreement into a yearly tenancy renewal. Into you know the agreement between ye assembly ne why ye this store ma no. And they say ba e bia let's assume say the store ama kwesi. Na kwesi wo the store na ama kwame. Into ye ba kwesi edin na why record so. Into ye ba na kwesi no antua then it means store no ye assume say kwesi ohia store ni bio because one na why record so into ye store no na ye allocate the store to whoever needs it. Nti wama amogigi stores na model say ye ba say ye rent ya quickly you pay our rent to what because mo ye no mo sign agreement no ye no mo na e deal say offenses okay market leaders no traders of various commodities in the market shall choose leaders. Nti emphasis say tomatoes jene nam o ma mo ton nam no obia mo choose mu leaders. And the assembly, the leader comes forward to present in the case on behalf of maybe tomatoes or more tomatoes in ya say bibi ba nya say more tomatoes nyina na mo beba mo leaders no say e bia chairman and a secretary and a beba no mo ba no mo present e bia issues no concern about tomatoes and na say o ma mo ton nam no na ya tena aka ho asem. Offenses ya say a person who contravenes any provision of this section commit an offense and shall upon conviction be sentenced to a fine of not less than 21 penalty unit or in default in a term of imprisonment not exceeding 3 months. Until let's assume say we turn there or market or now say BBC na market leaders in the case ba market management committee now still a free na then it means offenses no you bet me use sa offenses we adu nti yesre so we ya adwuma o market wa wo ton ade o market wa say BBC and say if there's any disagreement between one obi a just report to market leaders no omne market management committee be hia na o ma resolve matter no ententem ansana ya demra adu nti ya wie eno a say ya call municipal assembly okay information to aso
anti na yebesre atiefo no enyina se yesre obibia se revenue ho se mi so apiemu ewo ene ye discussion na ye no emu na yebesre atiefo no enyina se in terms of ye can revenue ho asema sebe ohwe eye local government act na 2016 at 936 na ema eye assembly no akwanya se esese otimi de agege taxes ewo enema bia a dwumadie bia obia edia eye sikasem no esese oge ho entoboa na yebesre atiefo entoboa no agege no yɛbɛsrɛ Ghana 1992 constitution no ɛno so section bi ɛma yɛhwɛ taxes ɛgyegye ɛwɔ ɔman mu ha no ma GRA for ana enso wɔ taxes a wɔgyegyeɛ enti assembly no ɛgye tax ni bi no ɔmo nso wɔ other component bi a ɔmo gye ho taxes ɛwɔ ɔman mu na yɛbɛsrɛ atiefo nyinaa sɛ odwumani bi efi aban mu ba sɛ ɔbɛgye o taxa yɛbɛsrɛ sɛ a dodoɔ na nya abotrɛ na yɛnhwɛ baabi a enipa no efi ɛba abɛgye tax no ɛnyɛ entokwa sɛ nipa no pie te sɛ ebi a ɔboɔ aba na wa bebusa me sɛ ebi a tua o tax menene hamso o identify no ɛkyerɛ wo wi a na impossible unni means na wodi tua tax na nya asempapa bi ɛka kyerɛ nipa no dan sɛ edu baabi a na yɛdi mpanifo no ebi atem no yɛbɛsrɛ mo all the agencies and other departments no say municipality ha no no do na ɛwɔ ha ɛno nti srɛ ne yɛsrɛ sɛ adeɛ bi kyerɛ wadwen na wonte ase a bɔ mmɔden sɛ obetu anamɔ akɔ office kra wugidi sɛ utu anamɔ kɔ hɔ no ma ɔmo bɛboa ama ɔma resolve issue ɛde ama no obetu anamɔ akɔ hɔ dan sɛ wode emra ɛbɛhyɛ wonsa na wayɛ ne emfata efisɛ taxes a yetua no memu hanom no ebi wɔ hɔ a wode wani hu ebi wɔ hɔ a womfo wani hu yɛ direct and indirect taxes a nyinaa yetua no memu hanom ɛno nti yɛsrɛ atiefo indirect taxes ebi wɔ hɔ no ma mobile phones yɛ nyinaa yusu ahmatrofo ɛkasa mobile phones ya yusu that is indirect taxes yɛtewa womfo wani ehu bi a okoto adeɛ cement bag bi ɛwɔ baabi ana akoto cement bi wɔ baabi ebi a taxes no ɛda so no omfo ani hu that is indirect taxes na yɛbɛsrɛ sɛ deɛ direct taxes no sɛ mpanifo ɛba makachi a yɛbɛsrɛ mo ɛnyɛ entokwa mo mmɔden sɛ mo bɛ comply directives no na obiara bɛ ne deɛ bi sɛ yɛhwɛ taxes etua wɔ Ghana ɛno an yɛde yɛ mputudwuma ɛwɔ Ghana sɛ bi obiara anyi obi tax sɛ ɔkwako ediska no ɛyɛ assembly hanom esei taxes a de bia no menu nyinaa etua no saa taxes no yɛde enyuma bebree de bia ade a mesi ha me ɛyɛ 7 ewira yɛ nyinaa yɛ ma yɛsesa ewira ade nti na yɛ ewira na yɛbɔ ho ka over billions
info anokra na kameba so the second one no about sanitation
okay ene mema wa wuri di ho no ma akire wo mo na ye interpret di ho ni nyina de ama wo mo
ye bylaw no under sanitation no e wo ho clear or say the in exercise of the powers conferred on the Brim Central Municipal Assembly by section 181 to 185 of the Local Governance Act 936 2016 these bylaws are hereby made. One was see disposal of refuse and sewage dust. When a person shall not place or cause or permit to be placed any kerosene filled dirt, refuse or rubbish in or any offensive or unwholesome matter on any street, lane, yard, rivers, river bodies or an enclosed and open space except at the refuse trips provided by the assembly. Until when it say so bia so one num nsuo say yogurt kwan bia ni so say obato nsuo sachet ana say enwura agu babi except say babi a container si ana say babi a yede babi ade si say yentu nwura ngum but minua akwede say in sanitation matter made foka fia akra baha na olman bi na watikanum onom yogurt efi from asama ades we basman kase onom yogurt na oto fa window car no in window no to twene ye na am say daba stop na daba stop was ada mbesi wa na am say da mi nsi wa obi ato wadi yogurt owie wato ade na to twene kakwa no so gina na won kofa mbetu kanum oh na dia na am say driver, if you make a mistake and move the car, you do next. But I remember police fracture. Intijina. Now uncle fact I didn't bet to can. Me can be a shame. People were saying, now the way you got my way. And I'm saying, no. And then I'm fault. About be finu. Nti papa ni si no uncle fact. Nti papa ni si ya na okoye.
Okay.
Okoye na okofa bet to can mu. Nti ye ba na ma me bi e ka ba me type me na okache me say bra why are they because ukwa brochira these things are not done aden na wo be no ana motor point drivers no say wonya load wi a na waka che passengers no wa obedi di bi odidi wi a jai wura no to kan you don't have to throw it outside nti we dey esre na ye ba law no so it is clear say sa de no sa wo ye na echiwa you are going to face the law. Ana oma mo stores so e wo manim a wo store na wanim gutters anaze bi na se obi betun ragu gutters mu a se ya buy law say se obi wo ton ade wo wanim na e ba na ehun se nwura egu wanim a yetimi esamawo because e just make sure say wanim na wo ton ade no is always clean.
Okay.
Especially oma mo market stores wo achi ho no wo be hu na gutter nyina ya nwura na wote ho. Do you expect yen twa ngofo ka no mo mesesa meanwhile why when him say ade na wote ano no it's no good na still wote ho last year call rounds me hwi back when am say papa you are sitting wo store ni hwe ba bia nwura no so gu you couldn't twen say ye ba besesa nti yade boss say ya na hwan na ekoso nti say ne ba law no hye hu kran say environmental health officers no so mo call omo ba round no be hu say wo store ni na nwura egu ani ma ye sama wo when na di beto when so bi kura na di nwura no beto store anim no still obedu ye na egu ho and you have not taken any action on it law no say enchew.
Okay,
yes,
modern manu AC no na me pacho yura information pacho o de kakra beka ho na afia de asi
anti mesre se kakra me de ebeka ho no eyese obia no ne oye no bomodia se ewura de se ne Jesus kan ye no obia nto ewura no engugu emonten so uma ye nyina ye mpe kwan a ye befa so amanage ye ewura no kakra ye ni sa me fi se sebe ento bwa kakra anke de be ye eniema na ebe ma facilities ahodo a ye nyina ye hwehwe na ye nsan kan ye no ye de be ye no ye betimi anya sa sika no e de aye enti ye besre atifo enyina ewura no eye ade a ema assembly no ebo ekaye pa na mesre atifo se obia no emomodin se emra no ode be ye adwuma se wu amfa mra na anya adwuma na hu se assembly for ababechewa enye wadwen se assembly member bi be kwa kan bi amaw ebi se o ma aka ho ne ye emrai enti mesre sa chew pa no madi bone we nko giremu no nka bi ma me no emra no eso uma enye ade ekodu ho no ma assembly man bia bedi wachi enti yesre atiefo enyina political interference na edu ba bia ana eha eniema ewo mayimu nti yesre assembly members ni nyina so ada wo ho so se ukodi ubane ni yeso mu a anya de obedi wachi enti yebesre atiefo obi anya ne de na municipality no emfa ntamapa infra.
Okay, yeah, that's see bebre na say empanimfo amu Brim Central Municipal Assembly na ye no omo bon komo wie sisi e me pa cho say
my first announcement na me ye no a scholarship no aye wo ma apply to Brim Central because me kan no man specifically Brim Central those who applied to Brim Central and no omo ye say ye the list na bo ho ba na wo check say odin wo mu 31st that's Tuesday you be contact there will be interview for them. You be conduct interview now ya select
okay.
Brim Central.
Yeah, that's it bebre. Enti ebusia for o share omre no na say 36 minutes after 9 live on Ahenkan 93.3 FM. You be hwe ho ye ba ye to aso e de amao.
Hey, awesome. Pejame. Hey, mera awesome. Pejame. Ameni, anyamaza. Hey, asasi, anyamaza, no anyamaza. asasi wura inti somo sama namu somo somina ya fomo amenia Ghana ay kasama tuza karangada era yen kano kwa wo yen jumam na yen fiefie nyina kongo ay tala gene gae sangani papa matuza onye wele matuza kokonyo matuza religious leaders sawanya honopeyo
Ainka FM.
yenso bonini nasi yenye kukume
Okay, so live on Hinkan 92.3 FM. Baby, I drew no. Hey, Hinkan, and here 70 to us so amamo.
Ahenkan ehi asem.
I don't see some kakachira mono, and ye baba be a bit analysis. Our Constitution Review Commission. One more report our deba ye no. Ye baba ye a bit of analysis kakra ewumu. From 2010. Ebe pim ene naturally say 11 years in ye and a commission ye tie omo recommendations to buy ye eba beto NDC aban wan fa anyehwe but ene omo person mo be ehunu say ene ma bebre nko ye ene ntia wo say ye hwe ye hu bibi and the question is omo de recommendations ne de buy ye na NDC wo ho na ehu hia wo so mo ya omo anye no na hwan na no omo nya no ene de omo ka ho asem yi I remember clearly say wabra omo kwa emom enipa nyewu onim say constitution no omo kwaja to mo parliament MPP for anko they boycotted mo history students, you know, and then the political science students, you know. MPP as a political party, they boycotted it. Omanko. You know why? Constitution, 1992 Constitution, yeah, forming no. MPP, Omanko. They boycotted it. Yeah, Gia Tumuno, Omanko. Because someone say Constitution, you know, and now everybody favor Yera JJ Rawlings. Nyankopon fa ne kransi JJ Rawlings ye gi tu mu wie ye wabetena konwa so wadi ne de awie e de benti na ade a ye kwa akogye atu wanko na fe wo ba ya wantimi ansesa no bepem ne and people are raising concerns about the same thing you boycotted the same thing and now say you know people are raising concerns about it. We are asking you guys to say munye bibi mfamfa ho a and the whole president who believed said constitution, you know, it was to favor Onipa Bakopeno. It's now telling us to say they don't believe in a wholesale. I don't believe in a wholesale review of the constitution. You can't political dishonesty. This is the highest degree of it. Amampani, you have failed. Political dishonesty. You have exhibited it clearly. Adi ana wo se nye. Eni nti ye kwaja tum kra mo MPP for mo anko. Adi a ye kwaja tum am se nye nti mo anko no. You are here today telling us to say you don't believe in the wholesale. I don't believe in the wholesale review of the Constitution. And what kind of say you no so call baby. Political dishonesty. What dynasty? And the air cost say you are not even ready to listen to any group of people chanting for a review and I say a change of constitution. The air cost say you are not ready. Why? Because you know it is benefiting you. The Constitution Review Commission for me, you know. It was headed by Professor Albert K. Fiajo. Or your Professor Emeritus who say Ghana there, yeah, positions in here, papa. nanso wo pe oman omo number e oman yi mu professor of engineering professor of asumesi hwan saa ne asori ko e ba bi o professor of engineer enso dum so age oman yi aboso and the professor emeritus wasan kra de piece of public law on an chairperson or saberi makwesi ata otosumienu paramount chief of Cape Coast na Idrisu Abu Kumbuna paramount chief ono so kumbungu Mr. Akintinga Piamenka lawyer and industrialist no ka ho bi Mrs. Sabina Ofori Amanfo consultant edema eye legislative drafting unit office of parliament no ono so ka ho bi Very Reverend Professor Samuel K.A. Japan, or a president at the Methodist University College, Ghana, chairperson African Peer Review Mechanism Governing Council, no Kahubi. Dr. Nicholas Amponsa, senior lecturer, Department of Political Science, University of Ghana, no Kahubi. Mr. Gabriel Puamang, legal practitioner. And a Mrs. Jane Mensah, executive director, Institute of Economic Affairs, IEA. No one also can be. Now, let's look at some recommendations. Somebody by